Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up one of these Cirkul water bottles here, and we've got 5 different flavor cartridges. We're going to taste test them, see which one we like the best. Stay with us, we'll let you know which one we like, okay? All right, this one is the Wild Splash. We did a video on opening it and how to use it and all that, so y'all go check it out. There was a couple of different flavors with it. I forget what they were. One of them was this Parrot Punch. Go check it out. Now we've got 5 flavors here. This first one is blue raspberry. Then we've got 4 strawberries here. Strawberry kiwi, strawberry watermelon, strawberry dream, strawberry banana. All right. We'll start off with the non-strawberry one, okay? This is the raspberry, the blue raspberry, I think it is. Yeah, blue raspberry. See what we can do here. Here it is. All right, you just put it down in here, screw it down like so. Your flavors for water, you can turn this. Let's see, there's 2, 1. We're going to start off on 2 and see how we like the taste of them. We can up it, lower it, and raise it, whichever we need to do. I get it open. There we go. Well, that's hard on fingernails. All right, this is the blue raspberry. Let's see what this is like. Now let's up it to a 3 and see what it's like. What you do when you raise those, that thing right there, hold the right here the grip part, and you can turn it, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. This is on 3. Yeah, now 3 was pretty good on that one. I like that. Yeah. Unscrew it again. We're going to lay it down right there because it's wet. But that's the blue raspberry, okay? Let's try this strawberry kiwi. Do you like those wild flavors like that, kiwis and stuff like that? I don't know that I'm a big fan of them, but let's try it, okay? Put this down in there, screw it down. Okay, we're on X. Let's turn that to 1, 2, and see what it tastes like. This thing's not easy to get off and on there. Well, this, because they come on the cartridges. That doesn't have much flavor to it. Let's go up to a 3. 3's a little better. I think I kind of like the raspberry better, though. Let's put that back over here. Okay, put that in right there. Strawberry watermelon. That sounds good. I'm a big watermelon fan. I like strawberries too, so let's see how both of these are. Strawberry watermelon right there. Okay. Says on here strawberry watermelon, all right. Put it in, screw it down. Okay. Come over here. It's on X. Hold the bottom where it says go sip. Slide this little thing around to a 1, 2. We're starting off at 2. Let's see how it is at a 2. Okay, we'll get it on 2. There we go, 2. Open it up. Not bad. Let's go to a 3. That's pretty good on 3. I like that strawberry watermelon. That's easily my 1 or 2 so far. Get the water out of them. Strawberry watermelon right there. Okay. Next one is Strawberry Dream. Remember when we was kids, the old dreamsicles? Maybe that's what this is. We'll see. Strawberry Dream says so right there on it, all right? Now, I've got this one, which is the 16 ounce, and I also have a 22 ounce. So go check out how to use those things, okay? All right, let's screw that down. X, 1, 2. We'll always start off on a 2 here. Just try it out, all right? Just don't have much taste on a 2, does it? Go to a 3. That's pretty good. Those strawberries are very good. So what we got right now is, we'll put these in order here that we liked them right there. Okay. That was the Strawberry Dream and the Strawberry Watermelon are easily together. It's hard to pick the better of those. So not a big fan of the Kiwi though. I just never have been a fan of those wild exotic fruits like that though. Okay, put that down, hold it, go to a 2, open it up, get us a drink of it. That don't have any taste to it right there on a 2. Let's go up to a 3. Okay. Still doesn't have much taste. Let's go to a 4. Four is better on that one, the Strawberry Banana. That's pretty good, but I like the other 2 strawberries better, I think. Close that up. All right. Strawberry Banana went right there above the Kiwi. Now, what we thought was the best ones, the Blue Raspberry I thought was probably the best of these, followed by the Strawberry Watermelon, Strawberry Dream. Now, those 2 were so close, I don't know that I could say one of those is better than the other. The Strawberry Banana, it was all right. Wasn't as good as the other 2 strawberries. And the least favorite was the Strawberry Kiwi. I didn't think a whole lot of that one. So, all right, well, there it is. See our cartridges there. Just empty that out and put it back in the box. When you're ready to use it, go get you a cartridge. Now, there's a lot more of these different flavors. If you want to see some more of them, leave me a comment. I'll go check out some others that we haven't tried yet, and we'll get them up here and try them out too, okay? All right, go check out the playlist. I've got the 2 Cirkul. They spell it C-I-R-K-U-L. They don't spell it like a regular circle, okay? Go check out the 2 water bottles. There's more water bottles. If you want to see more of them, let me know. I'll see about picking up another 1 or 2 of them. We'll try them out, okay? All right, go check out the playlist. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you want to see, what flavors you want me to try. That'd be better. Y'all tell me what flavors you want to see, and I'll see if I can get them up here for you. And hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you next time.